Did you know that China produces a staggering 77 million tons of cucumbers every year? That's not just a number. It's a glimpse into the scale of the agricultural industry, where technology meets nature, creating efficiency like never before. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The process behind turning these cucumbers into your favorite tangy snack is far more complex and fascinating than you might think. Today, we're diving into the world of cucumber farming, harvesting, and pickling, everything you didn't know about the process that brings those crunchy pickles to your plate. Welcome to Infinite Farming, where we explore the untold stories of agriculture and technology. Stick with us as we uncover the secrets behind cucumbers, from their careful planting to the surprising health benefits they offer. And trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next. The journey of a cucumber begins in the soil, where technology ensures every seed is planted with precision. It's no longer just about throwing seeds into the ground and hoping for the best. These days, advanced cell machines are used to ensure each seed is placed at the perfect depth in the soil. This high-tech process guarantees that the cucumbers will grow healthy and strong, setting the stage for the incredible transformation that's about to happen. Once the seeds are in the ground, they're tended to regularly, watched over by skilled farmers to make sure that the saplings thrive. The key to a successful crop isn't just in the planting, it's in nurturing the growth, ensuring that each cucumber has the best chance to mature into the perfect size. The planting techniques used ensure that the cucumbers grow in the most optimal conditions, contributing to their high quality and yield. And while humans play a huge role in this, nature also lends a helping hand. Farmers often rely on natural fertilizers and crop rotation techniques to keep the soil healthy, ensuring that the cucumbers have the nutrients they need to thrive. But that's just one part of the equation. It might sound surprising, but bees are an integral part of the cucumber growing process. Farmers often keep bees near their crops because these little creatures are excellent pollinators. They help transfer pollen between flowers, making sure that the cucumbers develop into the highest quality produce possible. Without bees, these cucumbers wouldn't be able to grow at the rate and quality that we see today. But the role of bees doesn't stop at pollination. They are a vital cog in the wheel of agriculture. These buzzing workers increase crop yields and help boost efficiency, ensuring that more cucumbers make it to the harvesting stage. Some farms even use honeybee colonies to improve the health of the crop, since bees help by introducing beneficial bacteria that fight off plant diseases. So next time you see a bee near a cucumber plant, remember, it's doing more than just buzzing around. In addition to bees, other pollinators like butterflies and certain species of flies also contribute to cucumber production. By creating an environment that supports pollinators, farmers ensure that their crops not only grow well, but do so in a sustainable way. By the time cucumbers are ready to be harvested, a whole army of farmers arrives at the scene. But this isn't your average manual labor. This is agriculture at its finest, with technology taking center stage. Instead of spending hours under the blazing sun, these farmers use an ingenious system that allows them to harvest cucumbers quickly, efficiently, and with minimal exposure to the heat. In fact, you might be surprised to learn that China is home to some of the most advanced harvesting machines in the world. These machines automate the process, allowing a single operator to handle large fields of cucumbers. This efficiency translates into huge savings on labor costs for agricultural companies, which means they can invest in even more cutting-edge technology to make the process smoother and faster. These machines don't just pick the cucumbers, they also sort, clean, and store them as they move through the system, ensuring that the cucumbers are kept in perfect condition from the moment they are harvested. The automated harvesting systems are equipped with sensors that detect ripe cucumbers, making sure that only the best produce is selected. This process also reduces the amount of waste that typically occurs during manual harvesting. This innovation not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also minimizes waste, ensuring that cucumbers are preserved in perfect condition for the next stage, pickling. After harvesting comes the cleaning process. Once cucumbers are collected, they need to undergo a thorough washing process to remove any dirt, pesticides, or other contaminants. This is a critical step. You don't want any foreign elements making their way into the pickles that consumers will eventually eat. Workers manually inspect each cucumber, making sure that only the highest quality produce makes it through the cleaning phase. Each cucumber is rinsed meticulously, with special attention paid to ensuring that there is no residue left behind. The cucumbers are then sent through a series of washing and rinsing machines, which scrub away any dirt while also ensuring that the cucumbers are safe to eat. It's all part of the quality control process that ensures the cucumbers you enjoy on your sandwich or in your salad are both safe and delicious. After the cucumbers are thoroughly cleaned, they're checked for any imperfections or damage. The ones that pass the test move on to the next phase of the process, while any cucumbers that don't meet the standard are discarded or sent for other uses. So, what happens to these cucumbers once they're cleaned and ready for the next phase? It's time for brining, the process where cucumbers are submerged in a flavorful solution that gives them their signature tang. It's not just salt water. This brine is packed with special ingredients that help create that unforgettable pickle taste. The cucumbers sit in brine for anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the company's preference. But during that time, something magical happens. The cucumbers absorb the flavors of the brine, changing from fresh vegetables into pickles with a vibrant, tangy bite. This process of fermentation not only gives cucumbers their signature pickle taste, but also introduces beneficial probiotics, turning them into a gut-friendly snack. It's in the brining phase that cucumbers develop their unique texture. Whether you prefer crunchy whole pickles or tender sliced ones, the brining process is what gives them that unmistakable tang that makes them irresistible. Once the cucumbers have been brined, it's time to decide whether they'll be turned into sliced pickles or whole pickles. This decision impacts everything: flavor, texture, and the overall experience of eating the pickles. Whole cucumbers retain more of their crunch, while sliced pickles absorb the brine faster and tend to have a stronger flavor. At this point, an automated system takes over. The cucumbers are sliced and packed into jars, ready to be sealed and shipped out to stores around the world. But it's not just about packing them up quickly. It's about making sure each jar is filled with the perfect balance of pickle goodness, ensuring the cucumbers remain fresh for as long as possible. These automated systems are incredibly efficient. They can process thousands of cucumbers per hour, ensuring that every jar is filled precisely to the right level, with just the right amount of brine to preserve the cucumbers. This ensures that each pickle, whether sliced or whole, maintains its optimal flavor and texture, ready for you to enjoy. Pickles aren't just delicious, they also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Did you know that pickled cucumbers are loaded with probiotics? These gut-friendly bacteria can help improve digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and even boost your immune system. So, when you reach for that pickle jar, you're not just indulging in a crunchy snack, you're giving your body a little extra boost. Studies suggest that the compounds found in cucumbers, especially those in the skin, can aid in digestion by promoting regularity and preventing constipation. And that's not all. Pickled cucumbers can even help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a healthy addition to any diet. For those looking for a low-calorie, high-nutrient snack, pickles are a great option. But the health benefits don't end with digestion. Pickles are also rich in electrolytes, making them a great way to stay hydrated. Many athletes even swear by pickle juice as a quick way to replenish their energy after a workout. Of course, no pickle would be complete without its signature seasoning. Dill is the star of the show, adding that unmistakable herbal note that pairs perfectly with the tangy brine. But dill isn't the only spice that plays a role in making pickles irresistible. Each company has its own blend of secret spices that give their pickles that distinct flavor. From garlic to mustard seeds, the variety of spices used in the pickling process ensures that every jar is a little different, catering to the diverse tastes of pickle lovers everywhere. Some companies even experiment with exotic spices, offering pickles that are sweet, spicy, or even smoky. The possibilities are endless, making pickles a versatile snack for all tastes. The pickles are then packed into jars, sealed, and prepared for shipment, ready to make their way to homes and restaurants across the globe. Whether you enjoy them as a side dish, a snack, or an ingredient in your favorite recipe, these pickles are sure to add a flavorful kick to any meal. From humble seeds to the final jar of pickles, the journey of a cucumber is a story of precision, technology, and tradition. The next time you crunch into that tangy pickle, remember the journey it took to get there. The hard-working farmers, the bees that helped pollinate the crops, and the technology that makes it all possible. So, here's the big question. Have you ever thought about the process behind your favorite pickle? Or the health benefits you might be getting just from snacking on them? There's a whole world of agriculture, technology, and health benefits hidden in those crispy cucumbers. If you enjoyed learning about the journey of cucumbers and their transformation into pickles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Infinite Farming for more behind-the-scenes looks at the fascinating world of farming and technology. And leave a comment below. Have you ever tasted pickles made with this process? Or have you tried pickles with unique spices? We want to hear from you.